7:46. Showers and storms are in the forecast today, but I do want to touch on what's going on in the tropics. Things are beginning to get quite busy. We are monitoring 4 waves now. There's one in the northern Atlantic, has a low chance of developing into anything. This wave hasn't developed quite yet, but the National Hurricane Center has highlighted this area as we go through the next several days where it could potentially become a tropical system. This one has a higher chance meandering out in the Atlantic basin, a 70% chance for tropical development in the next 5 days. And as we take a look at it right here, again, looking pretty healthy on satellite and imagery. And again, it is going to continue to move to the west-northwest as we go through the next several days. We'll talk more about that wave in a little bit. An upper level trough is expected to develop in the next 5 days or so, and it has a 20% chance of tropical development as we go through those days. So we'll continue to watch that one very closely because it is closer to our forecast area. So taking a look at the GFS and also the Euro, the GFS is indicated in red and the Euro in green. Now, they're not in good agreement at all. The GFS is actually rather aggressive, trying to pop a low pressure system as we wrap up the month of August. And again, it could potentially clip the Yucatan Peninsula as we go through the beginning of September. Now, where it goes after that, again, I don't want to speculate, but it is possible it may reach into the Bay of Campeche as we get closer to the 3rd or really Labor Day weekend. So we'll continue to watch it. Right now, there are no tropical threats to our area. Now that tropical wave out in the Atlantic Basin, it is called Invest 91L. It is looking pretty good on satellite and imagery. It has a higher chance of becoming a tropical depression or a tropical storm as we wrap up the work week this week. So we'll continue to watch this. It is moving to the west-northwest at 17 miles per hour, and it has maximum sustained winds here of 30 miles per hour. So as we look at the spaghetti plots here, pretty good consensus, keeping it in the Atlantic Basin, and it's going to continue this west-northwesterly movement as we go through the next several days, and it may clip the northern Caribbean islands. Of course, we'll watch it, but it's not going to be a threat to the Gulf at all. And taking a look at the tropical climatology, just a recap, things will continue to get rather busy as we get closer to the peak of hurricane season, which is around the 2nd week of September. And you can see for yourself, things are beginning to get rather busy.